Hi guys, today we're making DIY Christmas tree treats or little mini decorations if you'd like. So today what we need is some coconut flakes, some ice cream cones, some green icing or white, and some sprinkles of your choice. Now we also need a base. I'm using a plate, but you can also use some cupcakes or a cookie as your base or a paper plate. Either works fine. I'm using a plate on mine, and the first thing you need to do is get your base and then put some icing around the ice cream cone. This will hold it in place. Next, I'm using this tip, this star tip for the icing. And there's a couple of different methods on how to ice your ice cream cone. For this one, all you do is just swirl it around until you get to the top of the Christmas tree. Now this is the final outcome, of course with sprinkles added, but this is how that method looks like. Now we're going to go on to a different method, and this method all I did was do pinches, and I'll show you guys how to do that. By pinches I mean just like little dots all around it. So this is what I did, and all you have to do is just keep doing this throughout the whole tree. Now this is how that method looks like, as you can see from the top. Now we are going to go on to our third method, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So for the third method, you just, instead of doing pinches or just little dots, you start from the bottom and you do one long one all the way to the top. So you don't let go. And you keep doing that all the way around. And this tree is going to be the white and gold Christmas tree. So after that, you just start adding all your sprinkles all around. I'm going with white snowflakes, and then I'm going to be adding white little ornaments. And as you can see, what I did was I was just throwing them on there, because if I put them on there by hand, I felt like the green icing was just going to smudge all over the place. So that one was falling down, so I fixed it. But there's some that I did put by hand, and then there's some that I threw. Now for these little gold ornaments, I did throw those on just because they're so small. I didn't want to smudge those little ornaments with my fingers. Now the next step is the snow, once we finish our sprinkles, but you can also add Hershey's Kisses or other Christmas candy that are laying around the house. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this treat and you guys have a fun time with your family. Bye!